Get down there! All right, everybody pays attention. No one gets hurt. Go! Open the door! They'll get worse than hurt! Hey! Hey! Ah! Come on! Oh, finally! Don't do any crap! Let's go! Shut up! Shut the fuck up! Hands behind your back!
Oh, come on, mister. We're giving you everything you want.
Don't even think about it!
I'll do it, I'll do it. Oh, God.
Get in there!
Sit tight! I'll handle the blasting!
Don't blow yourself up! Listen up! Hurry!
What's he doing?
Em, get these assholes in the closet!
Leave us alone!
In the back!
We
Come
didn't do
on!
shit to you!
All set! Phone it in!
I'm calling it!
Detonate!
We gotta do this?
All right, we gonna do this?
Show me the money!
Slow and steady, T. Slow and steady.
That's the score. We're just taking the non-sequential notes. There's enough here for us all to enjoy.
Depends on how you look at it.
What's the holdup? Coming out, B!
Give it up! I got him! I saw your face, I'll remember you.
You get 1,000 things every day. How about you make sure this is one of them?
I've seen his eyes! He's crazy!
No one's crazy. Right think. Be cool.
That's right, pal! I'm fucking crazy!
Oh, boy!
All right, look, you want to live? Tell me you want to live. Work this out.
For sure I want to live! Jump and put the gun down!
Ain't gonna happen, pal. Make a move! I got all day. It looks like the cavalry ain't gonna show, pal. It'll be quick. Probably.
Fuck! You didn't have to do that.
Let's get going. There'll be time for grieving later.
Yeah, you got that right. Move!
What are you doing? Find some cover. I'm setting the charges. They're on a timer, so brace yourselves.
Oh, fuck, you hear that? Sirens!
Fuck the cops! T, hit the shutter switch.
Get out of here!
Don't be as dumb as you look.
We bring it to them!
Get down!
If I'm gonna die breathing right. Get out of the way or suffer the consequence.
Press forward!
Move! We're coming through!
You shouldn't have been a cop.
Dumb fucking cops!
Don't be an idiot!
Get out of the way!
Move! Move! Move!
Come on, guys!
Blame the pricks who called you out here!
Fuck these guys!
You, buddy!
Drop it, prick!
Wrong profession!
I ain't laying down for them!
This is fucked, man! The thing is blown!
I got my share. It's still wide open.
Car's up here! Let's go!
Move! Come on!
The kid might have failed! This wasn't in the job description!
Right!
Come on! Get to the driver!
I hope he's waiting!
Let's get out of here!
Let's go! Let's go! Get your ass in here! You see that shit? Fucking put that bitch's face against the glass. Did you see that?
Yeah, you're a real stout.
Fuck, how'd that happen? Go, 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 go! Jeez, I think they're gonna... Oh, fuck!
Local York's got it!
Guy's a dick!
Fuck you!
Come on! Let's get to the chopper! We move quick, we can beat the train!
We're getting there!
Man, I'll believe in this bird when I get eyes on it. Cops! Coming our way!
Be cool! They ain't made this car yet. Alright?
I say there's a chopper, there's a chopper. We stick to the plan, we're home free.
Shit, shit, shit! Roadblock!
Go right! Beat the train, man! Jesus!
You guys all right?
Fuck! Come on! Ditch the car, alright? We can go this way to the chopper.
No, hey, stick to the plan.
What?
Stick to the fucking plan. Come on.
Where the fuck's the chopper? Fuck. I'm gonna check around back. Ah!
Ah! The fucking fence! Someone must have fucking talked!
All right, Brad's gonna be fine. We gotta get the fuck out of here. Fuck. I'm hit. Oh, Jesus. T, you gotta get out of here.
I'm gonna leave you, Mikey!
Go. God, I'm not gonna be fucking gonna bleed out. Go.
No! I'm standing here! Finish me! Ah! You fucking cocksucker!
I'm here, what's your 1020?
Kill me, you prick!
You're fucking with the gangs and police!
Die, you cocksuckers! Motherfuckers! Hey, you, hey! Where's the chopper? Fucking stay back! You come near me, you fucking dead! Stay back! Go, go!
was not always a good husband, not always a good citizen. He did not die a hero's death, but he was a man. Our Lord was crucified with 2 thieves, so perhaps we should not judge. We are born of sin, and we die in sin. And in this, Michael, like anybody else, Father, we do not know your infinite mysteries, but we know that you will show mercy to our friend.
Your son, James. He's a good kid.
He's a good kid? A good kid? Why? Does he help the fucking poor? No. He sits on his ass all day, smoking dope and jerking off while he plays that fucking game. If that's our standard for goodness, no wonder this country's screwed.
And what about you?
What about me? Hey. I don't have the advantages that kid has. By the time I was his age, I'd already been in prison twice. I robbed banks. I ran whores. I smuggled dope.
And you consider them achievements?
These were the opportunities I had. At least I took them.
And where did these opportunities get you, Michael?
They got me right fucking here. The end of the road. With a big house and a useless kid, and I'm stuck talking to you because no one else gives a shit. Oh, I'm living a dream, baby. And that dream is fucked. It is fucking fucked.
Let it all out.
I think I just did.
Oh. Well, I think that's all we have time for. The same time next week?
I guess. I gotta tell you, I ain't too sure this shit is working for me.
Well, a sense of overriding futility is a vital part of the process. Embrace it.
Whatever you say, Doc. How you feel?
Man, shit gotta be around here somewhere.
Unless they buried it under the sand, fool. Another brilliant Lamar Davis production.
Man, fuck you. Hey, excuse me, homie. Can you tell me where Berto's beach house is?
No, homie, I cannot.
Man, won't you come on? Fuck.
Actually, yeah. It's that house right there, with the yellow stairs.
Yeah. Good looking out, homie. Appreciate it.
Man, get your stupid ass on. Damn. Why don't you ask him if he knows the fucking owner? Or better yet, do some skywriting that reads there's a couple of niggas here about to boost some cars in case somebody didn't realize.
See, what you don't realize is we ain't boosting. This shit is legit business.
Legit? Oh yeah, I forgot, huh? 401ks, tax returns and all? Yeah, right.
You the one all pumped up on doing this lick, nigga. I'm getting my money in the hood. I'm straight, fool. I'm cool.
You cool? Cool what? Slinging dope and throwing up gang signs? Yeah, right.
Whatever, homie. Yeah, homie. This the spin knot right here. Your boy Simeon wasn't bullshit.
Man, get your ass in there.
Bring your ass, fool. Always trying to boss somebody. Come on. Come on. Shit, come on. Damn. This nigga must got the baby dick.
Yeah, and all this shit paid for with bad credit.
Come to daddy. Which one you want, nigga?
You always was old choosy, motherfucker. Oh, you ballin' hard with the drop top, huh?
I might just be.
Whatever, nigga. It ain't gonna make you go no faster. Hit me on the speakerphone. I'm moving.
Oh, it's like that, nigga?
Right up here, homie. I'm about to go nice and slow for your bitch ass.
Yeah, that's cool. Hey, remember we gotta be careful with these rides, homie. The Simeon ain't about to dock my pay again.
Homie, man, if you need some bread, I can hook you up with JB's tow truck. It ain't got glamour, but it's some money to be made.
So him and Tanya can smoke crack in peace? Homie, I'm good. Hey, be careful.
Damn, dog, how much we getting for these repos? I'm gonna be one reluctant motherfucker giving this up.
Man, there's enough bad credit going around, homie. It's like it's an endless supply in this fucked up ass country.
Why don't you blow me?
Oh, we filming shit here, huh?
Goodness! That's a
Yo, hey, you cool?
Watch out, fool! Hey, watch out!
Oh, shit! Remember, this is your Terrier's car.
Hey, screw you too, homie.
To the left, to the left!
Yeah, whatever you say.
You little dick niggas do like them little cars.
Shit, I heard you talk, homie. You big everywhere except where it counts.
Fool, knock it off. How about we let Tanisha decide that?
She definitely ain't dumb enough to fuck with your ass.
Right!
Fine.
Left here, we going through the parking lot.
Shit, cool, homie. What you going slow up the road for, dog? Move over so the traffic can flow through.
Whatever, nigga. I'll let something flow through your ass.
Dog, I ain't too sure that joke works, dog.
Oh, shit.
Oh, shit, the one time.
Be cool, fool. We got the paperwork.
Whatever, you explain that shit. I'll see you at the dealership.
Explain that shit my ass. That was your fault. sorry about that. Not the car! Get rid!
Suspect southbound in a, white sports car.
You fucking freak!
I wouldn't believe it. It took like 3 hours.
Good.
Got these tickets to the Benders game.
You saw me!
Well, now. Fucker.
That exhibit was amazing.
Jesus!
Officers have lost sight of the suspect. Code 4, all units return to patrol.
I didn't know it was... Heaven's sake! You
My car, asshole!
This cannot be happening.
I don't get you, bro.
You are a racist and I don't like you. And I will not sell you this car. I will not. You make my skin crawl, you neo-Nazi. You are all the same. This racist insulted me.
Hey, what's up, fool? Who you calling a nigga?
No, I'm not calling nobody a nigga.
Wait, what the fuck?
I mean, N-word. That's not cool, man. I don't say that.
You fucking right, and you better keep it right, because this man right here, he's an international businessman, a multiculturalist.
That I could not have said better myself. But seriously, maybe he's not a racist. But I don't think that he is man enough for a car like this.
Wait a second.
This guy right here, him, get him a hybrid. That's a real man's car.
I think you are right, Lamar. You get a tax rebate. I understand. Money is an issue, eh?
Money isn't an issue.
This is the best part. Watch this when he reel him in. He gonna get all his full money. Watch this.
Look, man, I gotta go. Hey, Simeon, I'm out. I'll holler at you, homie.
It's the best part, man.
So, Jimmy, are you sure you are man enough? Take the wheel and show me.
Sure, okay.
How about we fall through, homie? This chump change. How I'm gonna knock a bad, grown and sexy bitch if I ain't got a fat peasocket?
Who you trying to impress?
Your auntie Denise, with all that ass, nigga, she got ass.
She grown, yeah. She grown into a fucking idiot.
No, she's sexy.
Sexy? She more like obsessed with sex, nigga.
Nah, mad for the penis. That's exactly how I like my women. Still on me a drink?
Man, they put up another deal without the damn road.
Hello? No kidding.
Man, shit, it's good to be home.
Hey, darling, I ain't seen you in forever.
What's up? Can a low come up in your crib?
Man, fuck you. I'll see you at work.
Oh, nigga, don't hate me because I'm beautiful, nigga. Maybe if you got rid of that old yee-yee-ass haircut you got, you get some bitches on your dick. Oh, better yet, maybe Tanisha will call your dog ass if she ever stop fucking with that brain surgeon, the lawyer she fucking with. Nigga.
What? Oh, motherfucker.
Ooh, honey. Y'all telling me? Oh, he here. We living on top of each other, and it ain't right. Shoo! Shoo! Get on out of here. Okay, baby. I see you at the thing. You hear?
And don't forget,
I was on the phone, boy. Don't be listening. Goddamn freeloader.
Exciting 2-hour traffic jam after doing calisthenics on the beach.
exercise can be very dangerous for a woman, Molly. If you lose an ounce of that cushion, men will never court you. A man wants a woman with some thickness to her so she won't die during childbirth.
Oh, you're right again, Gordon. Oh, Gordon, this place is like a dream.
Even paradise has a dark side.
Is that a redwood you're smoking, Gordon?
Yes, a redwood. It's a vigorous cigarette that 9 out of 10 physicians recommend. Sophisticated yet passionate and caring. A woman in your hands and a tiger in your lungs. Great while relaxing in a hospital or while playing tennis or yachting.
Oh, Lord, who's that?
Quiet, broad.
I'm gonna have a gentleman calling later,
Aren't you on the wrong show?
so make yourself scarce.
But actors' contracts are complicated things, and central casting ordered them cheap. I come from reservation. We live there like kings, but some dealers come to Los Santos to